Hey guys, it's your girl Shalisa coming at you with another hair unboxing. It is another headband wig from Best Hair Buy. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'll link it up above in the card above. On the other one I had gotten, I think it was the kinky curly or the curly. This one though is the grab and go headband wig. It's 100% body wave virgin human hair. I got it in the 12-inch. I want to say. Is that what I got? I lied. It's in the 16-inch. Or is it the 12? No. I think this is the 12-inch. I'll link it down below because I can't see my order and whatnot. But I think it's the 12-inch. Yeah, it's the 12-inch. But it is 100% human hair, virgin hair, which is nice. I did some curls in it with my curling wand from Sultra. And I just, toss a little bit. This is like my second wig from them, like I said. And my first headband wig, love it. I wear it to death. It's in almost all my videos. So I really can't say. This is the 16-inch, guys. I'm looking at my order right now. I'm such a mess. But it's the 16-inch, like I said. So it is a 100% body wave, human hair. Let's see what the details says. It is an average cap size wig. If you have a larger head like I do, this might not work for you because I have to wear it back a little further back just because if I wear it too far down, it's a lot of tension and it starts to cause a headache. It's Brazilian hair. It's in the color 1B. Nope, it's in the natural color, sorry guys. And it's 150 density. So with this hair, I really like it. Took the curl really well. Like I had to brush it out a bit for the curls like to separate and whatever. Like I said, I like the tousled, like lived in look. I'm not about the perfectionist kind of curls. I do want to try it with the foam rollers, is what it's called, the ones that you bend, and see what kind of curls I can get with that and whatnot. Because it's such a nice hair. It's super cute. But if you want to see how the hair looks right out of the box, stay tuned the rest of the video. Follow me on all my social media. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, guys. Hey, y'all. So, to get on in with it, it is a Best Hair Buy unboxing. I did feature a headband wig from them last year, like 2020, like a month ago. And I'm just finally getting around to filming the other one I purchased. It is a 12-inch body wave. I will link it down in the description box. This is what it looks like straight out the box. I'll have to get my curling iron so I can do some curls to it. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. I know headband wigs have been the trend lately and I quite enjoy them. I feel like this one's a little different than my last one. I can't remember. But it has 3 combs on the front. 1, 2, 3. 1 comb in the back. It does have the adjustable straps right here as well. And in this kit, it comes with a bunch of headbands like this style. I'll show you the colors in just 1 second. I did try to lay my baby hairs. I'm not good at that, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It did come with wig caps. This is one of the ones I'm using. And because my hair is blonde, I try not to leave a lot of it out because it's blonde. And with these headband wigs, if you have like an average size head, it's gonna work because it's a standard cap size. Your homegirl head is big and it's a little tight, so I have to wear it a little further back so it's comfortable and doesn't give me a tension headache. So this is what it looks like straight out of the package. like so. It has a nice texture. I can feel the Velcro sticking me on my neck and I wasn't enjoying that. So this is what it looks like. I do have a little bit of shedding, but that's okay. So this is what it's looking like. Typically when I wear my headband wigs, because I had to push it back so far, I usually just like flip up the band halfway so you can see my edges, like so. So when I put on the headbands, it comes with this yellow one. It came with five. The yellow one, this beige one, this light pink one, this red maroon one, and this gray one, like so. I'm gonna wear the pink one. Just like so. You can see a little bit of my edges and whatnot. I am gonna go curl it off camera and come back to you because I ain't got no space in here, because the desk that I'm using is really small. So my daughter's homework desk, because I'm working on my beauty room right now. So let me go curl it off, curl it, do my makeup, and come back and show you what it's looking like once it's been all curled. See you in the next clip. So this is what the hair is looking like, guys, after I put some curl wands in it. I'm not the best at hair. Ooh, it's stuck in my lip gloss. I'm not the best with hair, but I wanted to share with you how I style it. Like, I'm into a very like messy, not too perfect kind of look, you know. Like, not all the curls are like curled right. I did curl it going away from my face and whatnot, but I do like the hair. It's super soft. I'll definitely come back with an update on it. I need to do another update on the other one I got. I'll link it up in the cards above for y'all to check out, because I really like it. Like, I wear it all the time. It's so cute. It's so easy to work with. It's just everything. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely thumbs up. Comment down below. Leave a comment down below where you usually get your headband wigs or lace fronts, because I'm thinking I'm going to order a lace front next. I don't know. Lace fronts have been really hard to get, it seems like. But leave a comment down below on what website you usually like to go and check your things out. And I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye.